Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright, Sajis, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And thank you for being patient with me as well. I'm sorry, my setting is still temporary. I'm quite looking forward to the new place as well. Just bear with me just another couple of weeks or a week, 10 days, and we should be back to base soon. And newbies, if you're new, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, here we go. I have a King of Wands center of my spread, Sagis, and King of Wands is a fire signs card. So this could be you, this could also be the person you're dealing with. Bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Well, somebody is coming in swift, it seems. Maybe there's been a little argument or a fight or something, and they don't want to end this chapter. They don't want to end this chapter. But, well, as always, there is the devil and the. Oh God. Somebody's in hermit mode right now, thinking about what they want. I think there could have been a third party situation here, Sagittarius. There could have been a third party situation. Maybe this King of Pentacles was the one who had some obsession, and they are wanting to. They don't want to shut the chapter, though. They do want to try one more time, it seems. They want things to go in a good way once again, but for that they know they have to drop something. I don't know what that is. Of course, I'm going to clarify these cards, Sagittarius. Let's start with some dialogue message cards first. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Thank you. Take a few more Sagittarius from another deck. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. Take a couple more from here, Sagittarius. Okay. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I like so many things about you that even I don't know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me, and I was made for you. It pisses me off as to how your karmic has photos of you all over social media, trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul, because that's where you are. Would you just stop holding back? Lay it all on me. I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your vulnerabilities, what makes you tick, and what you truly desire. Your soul is always with me, and mine is always guiding you. We are always together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, life, and soul, being a faithful and reliable partner always. I want to restore your faith in me. But then I enjoy your company and I don't want a commitment. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. So somebody, I think, I don't know, this seems, I don't want to say anything before I clarify it, but this King of Wands sitting here center of my spread, well, is sometimes an attention seeker. They like attention from more than one person. And then the devil sitting right next to them, well, so let's start the clarification. Spirit, Knight of Swords. What's this Knight of Swords? Why is there so much sadness? Oh, okay. So there was probably a fight here. There's an empress who was disrespected or not given the position or not treated right. And this could have been done by this King of Wands, right? So this empress is the one who is now going through a little bit of depression after this bad behavior, I would say, by this King of Wands. World in reverse. World in reverse. Yes, they always felt they were all alone in this connection. In a mind prison, stuck, thinking, wishing, hoping. They did admire this King of Wands. This King of Wands is a character who's very charismatic, very good looking, lot of eyes on the King of Wands, just like as the Queen of Wands. And as much as this Empress thought that this was all my wishes coming true, I don't think that really happened. Nine of Wands, Spirit? Nine of Wands? Yeah. See, look, I think this King of Wands was creating delays after delays, and which could have turned into some arguments and fights. Now I think this Empress is trying to hold back from this connection, not wanting to maybe be in a connection which is not working out. Devil, Spirit? What's the devil? What's the devil card? Somebody who's sitting in their ego and pride. This King of Wands was sitting in their ego and pride. But they do want to, well, they want this fight to end, that's for sure. They do want this heart to heal. I'm not sure whether they're still ready to offer that commitment though. They want things to be alright. They don't want this Empress to be hurting or this connection to be dying down. But, well, King of Wands says something to us, sitting here, center of my spread. I'm giving the mic to the King of Wands. King of Wands is clarified by the King of Wands and the Knight of Wands. My God. Yes, they were probably very selfish, very self-centered, maybe were a bit of a player, created some drama, and put this Empress, I think, into the Four of Swords in reverse with their very petty behavior by not offering any commitment. My God, Hierophant in reverse. So, Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Wheel of Fortune. Now they do want to come back though. They do want to come back. They want things to start moving in a positive direction again. They want to come out of this hermit zone. They feel they made an unwise decision. But I don't think they're messaging yet. They feel ungrounded, but they're still not messaging. They're still feeling that, well, they don't want to end things, that's for sure. They don't want to end things with this Empress. They do want to communicate, but this card came out sideways. So when it's upside down, this is kind of somebody who wants to be very controlling and sometimes is mean and rude as well. And then it tried to flip upright and then it stayed in the middle. So I think there's somebody thinking about, well, what should I say? What can I say that I don't look like a fool and yet I can heal this broken heart? Hermit Spirit? Well, the Ten of Cups came out in reverse and it fell on the floor. Yeah, I thought as much. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. They want this Empress to open up to them. But I don't think they are still offering anything. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse is clarified by the Two of Pentacles in reverse. This person, well, they do want things to move forward. They do want this back and forth of energy to stop. They do want another go around, But the problem here is, Sagittarius, are they offering anything stable? Give me a card, Spirit, for the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles is not, yeah, see, Chariot in reverse, Judgment, Devil. I end with the Devil again. So yes, this person does want a beginning or a restart, or they do want to come back and have another go around, but it's paired, Sagittarius, with the Devil and the Chariot in reverse. It's the sense I'm getting from this reading, Sagittarius, is somebody who is selfish, was selfish. They still seem to be wanting their way without, they want the love of this Empress without having to really do anything. Right, Spirit? Yeah, they're trying to play a little bit of a magician. This card also came out sideways. So this is like being over clever or being tricky or tricking the person, and this is like trying to manifest, right? So they're in between whatever they're trying to do, not in a very healthy way. I wouldn't trust this King of Wands who's in reverse. Still, I think manifesting from a very selfish place for themselves, because they don't like that they're not getting the attention of this Empress anymore. So just be aware, okay? So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.